Join me. This is my first time trying to paint the city. I've never painted the city before and I've always wanted to try it, but this is actually for a friend and well, let's see how this goes. I have my city all traced out, and so then the buildings are all here, there's some water down here, and a beautiful sky with the sun over here, so it's a sunset. So, let's get painting. Alright guys, I've got the sky and the water done. I tried this type of blue, but it didn't seem to turn out very well. So I did a lovely sunset, and then it's got this water that's got the sunset colors mixed in on it. And now, for the buildings. There we go. How's it look? We've got the buildings with the lights on. We've got the water. I decided to call it Sunset New York. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions on what I can paint or any ideas at all for any type of video, make sure you guys put them in the comments below. Hope you caught that creative bug.